In college, making cocktails is hardly about impressing dinner guests and schmoozing the neighbors. No, college cocktails are made with purpose. So here are the 4 best recipes that every college student should know, because surely these recipes will help you pin down that degree. If you can master the Manhattan, you'll be among the best bartenders on campus. 2 ounces bourbon, 1 ounce sweet vermouth, 2 dashes bitters, 1 maraschino for garnish if funds allow. This is a simple add and stir recipe, so don't worry about layering or shaking. A hole-in-one is a classic for get-togethers among college sports players and fans, and a little classier than your average can of beer. 1.5 ounces of Scotch whiskey, 1 tablespoon honey, 3 ounces unsweetened tea, and 1 lemon wedge for appeal. To make, stir together liquids and balance a lemon wedge on the edge of the glass. Does the word Jaeger bomb make you cringe? Ugh. Then it's time to take energy cocktails to the next level. 1 ounce sour raspberry pucker, 1.5 ounces vodka, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, squeeze of lemon, half can of Red Bull, half can of Mountain Dew. Stir everything but the Red Bull and Mountain Dew. Pour both of those over the mixed drink. This one will take a few extra ingredients compared to the other drinks. 3/4 cup tomato juice, 1 ounce of vodka, squeeze of lemon juice, teaspoon of horseradish, half teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, a handful of ice, and a stalk of celery for stirring. Enjoy!